Hey everyone, it's Zacarias here. Welcome back to another video of what am I doing here? It's gonna be banjo and kazooie nuts and bolts. I actually got pretty far in this game. I didn't beat it. I mean, I got further like last time I had it than I have now. But like I said, my 360 deleted everything. So all the cars I had, like my speedmobile, everything was deleted. This game I would play much because it wasn't like, the greatest for me. Let's see. There's no black bars, right? No, I think it's just too bright. Maybe I can put the darkness thing on it. I don't know if that even knows Movie Maker does. But it doesn't seem to change. You can't see the words at all. Can you let me play? I don't care. Thank you. I know if you like do some beating the game or whatever, you can go back to the very first level that you just saw. Okay, I could have read this. The Showdown Town map shows jiggle events that have jigglies. Oh, screw you. Shut up, bastard. Alright, it'd be cool if I thought, oh no, I don't have enough. You at least let me keep one file, like, come on, something. Beware, the most vehicle parts in the power category require fuel in order to work. Oh, that's nice now. Alright, let's play. Come on. Yeah, this land. I know at some point in the game you can get, like, I never got myself, but I looked at it a long time ago. You can get this land back.
Once upon a time, there lived a heroic bear called Banjo, a rather loud bird called kazooie, and an unpleasant witch called Gruntilda. When Banjo's sister was kidnapped, the bear and bird
Awesome games.
in the depths of the witch's lair, where they found many perils and speech impediments to send Gruntilda tumbling to her doom. But she was loving, not persistent, and supposing nobody, the old hag soon rose from her grave. Our brave heroes once again stood in the way. This second showdown ended just as badly for Gruntilda, who really should have quit when she was dead. Many years have passed and peace reigns in Spiral. So what became of the bear, the bird, and the witch?
They're freaking lazy as hell, that's it. This is life. Pizza Sunshine, not a care in the world. This is not... I can't read this, it's so small. This is breaking news. Oh, I can't read. Punks... it's so small, I can't read anything. We must have put on a couple of pounds. Sorry, I'm writing myself. So it's not like we got to fight that old hag anymore. Playing the Xbox 360. Like I am. There she is. Apparently not dead at all. 8 long years to bounce back here. I'll win this time and make you cheer. She rhymes all the time, like from Grinch Till Christmas. Hey, nope. Can't see what's making that racket. Let's take a look. Okay, I think I still carry you. Just about anything for a quiet life. Alright, so I want to do that. Oh well. You get started later. Oh wait, there's a garbage can that has like different gamer things in it. Where's this garbage can? What's that? I wasn't even walking. How would I get tired out? Oh no, I passed by it most likely. Oh well. What the? Grunty, is that you? Yes, me, you total fool. I'm back again and ready to rule. I doubt it. Haven't you noticed you're just a skull? At least I haven't got a gut. Let's rumble now or I'll bite your butt. Let's look at the angry old grandpa right there. Grandpa Bear. Pause. That tricked you in the first place. I'm like, wait, why did it pause? Did I push pause? Green is all second-rank game characters. Who are you? The title games that you have been called me. He just called log. I can't read what he said there. Even ones that don't sell were very good, like goalies. Your name is to ooh and look please. So tell me. Would you let me read it? I give you the sell your differences. Okay, let's just say he's the guy that's gonna bring me to the world and the sell our differences and for whatever reason I can't read anything that's shown. It sounds like a preposterous rule. What you'll do if we refuse? Oh dear. I wish they could stay like that, but I suppose you people would actually like to take part in this game. Yes, actually I would. Now then, it's like with banjo. Oh, screw you. Let competition. I hate that I can't read any of this. I'm so sorry. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know I could beat her like this. Oh, I didn't get to read that. Only time I actually beat her. Very well then. Failures, listen carefully. Failures, we've been in several games already. But not as near as that Italian gentleman, correct? Oh, Mario, I'm guessing. He does have a point. I will now transport you to a brand new world. Consequences more... Oh, I hate when it gets bright at the bottom. Hey, bit's gone, but not my head. Like, see you at the top. Attack of lies. Oh. Alright, won't be like this the whole time, pretty sure. There's a lot. I don't think any of us are really in good condition to for their adventure. Yeah. Back to got years younger or whatever. Actually, I think he just got sad. Any other requests? Well, where are my moves from the previous games? You will be needing them. They were rather outdated anyway. Bird was better in our last game, now it seems she's extra lame. I want those moves out here also. Please follow me in those vehicles before I change my mind. I want the big one. Come on, Brad, let's go to one. Too slow, just watch me go. Shout out. This one looks safer. Why did I get that card? Why did you get two cards? A card and two card. This is like a shooting draw. Shopping draw, that's it. Fast banjo, fast, put your foot down. There's nowhere to put your foot, it's mainly your hands. Oh, I missed all the vehicles I built. We'll think about it though. Sorry, it's really hard to read any of these because somewhere it's like we get some words are in a bright spot, so it's hard to read. Oh, full screen. Yes. If a challenge is going badly, you can screw it. Hold the D-pad, which, when not in a G game, to take a shortcut to Mumbles Motors where you can build or test vehicles. So hold. Oh, D-pad's weird. I knew that though. Use your imagination to create more and more ambitious vehicles. It shouldn't take long to stock the garage with a wide variety of parts. I had like 10 vehicles before. Die in this game. I miss the old game. Like first two banjo kazooies are awesome. I like the second one better, but that looks rather painful. Let's begin, shall we? This charming local is known as Showdown Town. First up there is hits the video game factory. We'll explore in the town, look for those doors, lead into a game worlds of my own creations and emotions. Jiggy's the best you can come up with? We've run around. Saw this brief I can't read anything. Altogether, that thing you put jiggies in, you get jiggies from beaten stuff. Pretty sure. Sorry, but the reading this is not gonna work out. Well, I think your town looks very nice, don't it? If you say so. Hey, Banjo. Hey, what about the town's word? Well, you. Oh yeah, which one? Well, you. So I say available machines. Granty's rolling It's quite simple. She must try to prevent you from. Oh. But how do you play your when you? Oh, she gives me a wrench. A rusty metal stick? You gotta be joking, dude. Actually, you'll find that rust to be a magical wrench with near unleashed screw. So, we soon get some news. What do you have for this lovely wench? I'm terrible at reading this. Kitty! That walks on two legs. Oh, the poor cat. Oh, Mr. Poos isn't gonna like that. It's tough. That's not gonna electrocute it. Oh, it's a tutorial. Okay, so I need to put this box. Push Alt or T. The box here. Yes. No. Go back. Get. Guess I didn't really need to make it straight on. Sorry. I want to talk to you. What? Mumble open crate for bear. Crate mountain this to fill the. Oh, contain parts of the vehicle. Oh, would you screw off the reading? Yeah, let's skip this. Okay, got this. Okay, bear. Bring crates back from Mumble. Okay, so you gotta bring crates back to him. When you put crates on the pad, you go to him and you get new parts, and he's the one that builds cars for you. Gets you to build cars, or planes, or boats, whatever works. I could probably describe. I'm only have to read. I probably be able to describe everything. Local bear burst. Basically, he's saying this is a shot to build places. I like explain everything now because I can't play. So a workshop. Okay, go to workshop. Like, I want to put tutorial. Okay, so I want to do. Let's say build. You got storage. He literally doesn't correct it for like the ghost thing doesn't usually do that. You have to figure out how to do this. You basically just make it yourself. But this is like a tutorial, so okay, I don't care. You don't put a tutorial. Basically, this is a place you build cars. You just get those boxes all around the place and put them on the pad. I'll show you the thing on the floor. Sorry, I know it's really hard to read because the words are way too small. I can read this though. You can activate weapons and gadgets even if they're on trailers. Remember, kazooie can pick up and carry any movable object. Just stand close enough to highlight it and hold the RT right trigger. Yes, you can assign vehicle parts like shoot and stuff. Okay, I need to flip this over, which is LT. I don't know why I keep skipping it. So that's what, yeah, why is it out? This is the pad you put box. I know there's a box over here. So you'll see a glowing thing over it at the box. I want this note first. I need some marks. I think the note's like your money in this. Well, actually, the first two banjo kazooies, they were, what did you say? They were money. You use it to buy moves, but this one you buy parts. Just put on this pad. Talk to him. This is kind of stuck for everything. Oh, they got a fist. That's nice. Something I want to do. Where's my car? The whole Y. Y can summon your car or whatever. I want find a box. Yeah. Get the box. Box right in front of you. Come on. Not that. This. Thank you. Harvey or box I need to do something. Let's try this. Fly. Next area. I got the next area like right there. It's a glitch I seen a long time ago. You just put something like a box on top. On top. Come on. Get on top of there. Always be on top. Be like flat down. Actually, I don't think it has to be fully flat down.
Go on top. You see yellow bars on your car, and you fly. As long as you can stay on. I know. Oh, that killed me. Actually, not. Alright, well, I kind of wanted the game properly. Come here, car. Alright, make sure it's up. This game is not gonna last long. I don't even like. This game bores me pretty easily. Information guy. Get off the wall. Care about driving all of a sudden. I'm supposed to go up there, but I think it's going the wrong way. I got bad to see it, but I guess I'm the one who's seeing it. Let's go this way. Got a lot of notes in this. They're all like money. Like bronze is one note. Their silver is like 3 or 4. And gold is 5 or 10. See how much it is. I'm at 33. Now you can see how much I have. I like knocking this guy right off the whole thing. Boom. He's scared. Something I want to do. I can do it straight now. Okay, I need a car. I need my car. Here's a turn off. I know you gotta top me an achievement. You can actually see something really cool up there. I'm gonna show you. Okay, that's what I want. There we go. Let's see the cool thing that's at the top. This way. This way. And going the right way, I think. Figure out where the ledge is. Okay, good. Not what I wanted. Seem to be missing something. Pretty sure I'm supposed to grab onto that thing. There you go. Alright, up we go. Yeah, it's like an Easter egg, I think they're called. Just can't jump right up there, it's like climb. Here we are. Now let's find that Easter egg. Okay, so where is it? See, there's Luigi's mansion. I'm pretty sure that is. But where's Peach's castle? I know Peach's castle is in this. Peach's castle over there. Yes, I know it. I knew this because I looked this up and it was like, oh, there's Luigi's mansion and Peach's castle in the distance. Alright, so I want to jump my death. I have my spell search. Hey, where do you think you're going? Yeah, that top was achievement, and also, like, as I explained, I think twice. I don't know if there's anything else there. I thought I saw Sunshine, the same, the plaza from Sunshine. I'm not sure, but a nice part is. That's right here. Pretty cool. Okay, it's 6 forever to go there. I guess I could use my car, but whatever.
through the screen. Alright, what was it? Oh yeah, I was just up there. I had to talk to them again. Well, this is the way I usually go. Climb up these things. Come on, come on, come on. Oh look, it's made jigsaw, jiggies that flip and slide, looks like. Yeah, I'm probably gonna read my manga for a bit after this. Did I mean hit you, sir? Kill me. Or just freeze me for... Yeah, so you got bring that ball. All the way over here. Just jumping doesn't help. Doesn't that hurt the feet? I don't know. Yeah, come on, get back here. Ah! Back here! Rhino's gonna attack me. There's actually, you can get cops in this, just flying, zoom around. They don't like do anything, so they just run into you. I think I'll do the first world. I want to make something first. I need airplane. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, there's an achievement if you like fall down like that. I don't know, you get like really heavy. That's a thing, yeah. Something gives you achievement for like falling from very top of this area, very fast and heavy. Basically, you just gotta build a bunch of heavy blocks. Don't need to put any wheels in or anything. At the very top. Then just switch vehicles near the top and you fall down. And then you get the achievement. Where am I going? Oh, I have to stop this guy. Well, I want to try something first. Where's lava cave? Oh, there it is. Get achievement for putting this guy in the lava. I'm gonna do that. Might take a while. It is right here, so. Let's hit robot. They don't like do anything to bash you to take parts off your car. But they get annoying when they push you around. Get off. I see how I like in the water. What, can't get in the water? Oh, that sucks. Sucks for you. Follow me out like this shit. Oh look, there's another one. That's just great. Can you guys leave me alone? Stop sniffing my ass. Get out of here. Yeah, it's not like you said, ew. Is there any more symbols or annoying? See, the clouds are a little bit. Heck. Oh, there is more. Piss off. You guys are so annoying. Die. That's what you get for your brother sniffing my ass. Is there more? Are they following me for everywhere I go? They don't like do anything bad, it's just annoying me because they push me around. What? Can't. Can I put in this lava? Nope. Where's the way up? I got scratch my ear, but you. Didn't want you. Blew up. Apparently I slide on lava, because that is lava. It's cool that I can swim underwater, under lava, but I get damaged, but still, something's useful to do sometimes. I don't think it'll fit my car that great, so I don't want to call my car. I want to build another car, that I want to do. Yay, found the entrance to the thing. My phone is really itchy for some reason. Here we are. Achievement. I might have cut out some of it. I know to cut videos now. Barbecue beef. And I can swim. And I can't swim this one, whatever. I haven't been to the... not really, but... Yeah, I meant pretty much, I know to cut out parts of the video now, so... I think I'll probably cut out parts of this stuff.
Alright, let's try it. I'll see you at the person I'm supposed to be at. Alright, I'm back. I'm pretty sure I cut that video, so you won't be seeing the whole thing. Got pretty annoying. The super robots kept. Oh, would you leave me alone? These robots are so annoying. They pushed my car all the way. But yeah, this is the part. Yeah, I kind of figured out how to cut videos, so I'm pretty sure you'll have to watch all that. But this is the first mission, or first jig you earn, or can be match you go to. I saw some people that got jigs from before. Hey there, Klungo, long time no see. Which was fine with us. To be honest, where's the warty one? Klungo is not okay. They can all just skip by itself. Klungo will not work for Grunty no more, which means smell bad. Klungo will buy her deodorant she never uses. Klungo, one of good guys now. Really? That's nice to see. So is that why you have floating jig over your head? This mean Klungo will have challenge with Klungo's challenge, and he give pretty gold jiggy. This thing. Well, it's easy to read like this. Big fire down on this. It's easy to read this because it doesn't skip by accident. I have to brush myself and get like messed up. Oh, look at this anyways. That's fine in theory. But if you want help, I've lost my talent shot. Looks like your nuts are enough roasting. Brave little funny little buggy go up far quick. Look at arrow and hurry Klungo not beaten. Had enough from which. Bear save farm. Klungo hand over jig. Alright, so I only have this card. I wish I had something else. But as I know, it's not an actual fire. It's just some cooking. Let's see if I can get the trophy. Yeah, the blue bar is trophy if you can beat it fast enough. Gold bar is jiggy. Well, blue bar, if you get blue, you get a jiggy trophy and money. If you just get beat in the gold bar, crap. Yeah, that's crap. Hurry up, you're missing it out. Eco Musum. Who wants sausage can be a bit overcooked, but at least better not to get trots. Thanks for the offer, Bonehead, but I think you'll skip lunch. Bear win first challenge. How's he know about my challenge? Bear go back to see Klungo. Maybe he give award. If challenge won't fast enough, I heard him from the N64 version. Miko Hoko. Not bad, you could Miko Hoko. I love that Gale's Kid Banjo Kazooie. My first trophy. Yeah, I can't really explain. Basically, if you get within the blue bar, you get everything. If you get the gold bar, you get the trophy. I mean, you get the jiggy and the gold. And if you just get in the orange bar, you can just get money, which is yes. Hey you. Throw you far. Distance thrower. Okay, so I'm trying to remember where that guy is. Where's that guy? Oh yeah, go. Alright, so I go straight ahead. I'll meet you when I get there. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Just gonna collect some of these first. Okay, that's not time. Alright, so it's the next person who gives you a jiggy and a trophy. It's Mumble, the one we just ran into, or during the last mission. Oh, you pissed off robot. I can't move. You're not like stop me from talking. I'm destroying this guy's house. Oh look, there's a gold thing there anyway. These robots, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but these robots really pissed me off a while ago. On the way here, it wouldn't let me go any further. Alright, let's talk to him again. Okay, breakdance in spot. Mumble put foot on gas. Where? Oh, I hate when it's so. Oh, was I not both? Oh, was he not a person? Oh. Alright, well, I'm gonna find that person, and then I'll meet you back. Pretty sure it isn't that person I can use. If not, if there's not another person, I'll just go back to the beginning. Or I mean the next area. Pretty sure. Alright, just a minute. Alright, I'm back. Apparently I was supposed to leave after the first Jiggy, so it's cutscene going on, let's go see it. I see you back, the Jiggy that you must now hear. Hey, yeah, I know they'll explain it. I already know what they're saying, so hopefully I play this enough times I can't read anything. Basically, you gotta go to this thing, turn the thing, and then turn the handle. What you miss off? Go here, hold X. And turn the circle. Yeah, I know. Yay, Jiggy. Oh, I can't say. Oh, this is good. Like a new level? Oh no, I got like other things. It reminds me, I kinda wanna build a car. I'll end this video soon, I don't know. Next level. My way. I wanna be able to squander it. I'm screwed up on this level. Actually, no, I gotta finish this level. Mainly, thank you. What? Oh yeah. First level only has one. Second level, it's the same area, just different things you can do. I just remember that. So I was really walking around for quite a while because like all spots that would have people that would give you jiggies, none of them were there. So like, wait, something's wrong. I remember there be more people that do something first, but it ends up these five or six first levels in this one area. It's the same area, same like trees and everything. It's just you can get jiggies and different jiggies. Alright, so I'm gonna go to this guy. After this, I'll probably end the video. I'll see if I have to take out the parts we wear for outside. It just looks stupid. Alright, so I have to carry a missile. I think it's when I carry a missile to game objective. Yep. And like an optional car. Like he's mine or use this car? I don't know, I can't remember. There's this bomb. Is it already in here? No, it's not. You can use a faster car or whatever. I'm not gonna get the blue trophy for this car. It's not even close to pass. That's pretty good though. Hi, leave me alone. Full RV with my brother. Oh yeah, I'm not getting the trophies. I'll get the G. I think I used a shortcut last time. I go the wrong way. Why this cave is so annoying because Yeah, stuck on right in the cave. I make it aside. Oh, I made pretty good this time. Remember, like about last time, I got like stuck between the two walls of the cave. Alright, I get the trophy, whatever. Trophies are also how you get jiggy, you get a bunch of them. This is how he fixes it. Wow, I wish it was always that easy. Oh, well, no. There's some chicken in here. Or bird, not chicken. What the? Screw off, I got the... Think you're going. Hey, you. Take your bomb with you. I think it's your bomb. Just save. Okay, I want... Stop! Stop pushing me! Alright, I think under there, I'm pretty sure it's saved. But if it didn't, I can do that mission pretty easily. Alright. This was the first video of Banjo-Kazooie. It worked pretty good, I think, if I can actually cut the parts out, but... Alright, subscribe, see you later. Bye-bye.